How can we create our first mind map with Lucidchart? Be it a mind map, flowchart, concept map, org chart, or others, okay? Obviously we can select it, right? It'll automatically redirect us to create the type of map we want to make. Got it? See, it's already created it for us there. What's the deal? It's not that exciting on its own. The fun part is using the different sections, you know, like agile, processes, brainstorming, systems, or we can just click new, okay? Create a blank document instead of using a template, right? Maybe the template works well for us, huh? It doesn't have to be, we don't have to be so rigid, you know? We can also just create a blank document, alright? And we'll have a blank diagram. We've got the tool now, okay? Well, here's the welcome screen about who we are, and that's it. And here, as you can see, they're asking, so if using AI, what would you like to try first? Well, let's make a flowchart, shall we? So what type of diagram do we want? We want a diagram. I said, I want a diagram of the processes to create a website. I click generate. It couldn't generate anything. Well, I'm not sure if it's because I'm on the free plan, but theoretically, it should have generated it for me, you know? Here in the quick actions section, as you can see, we have the generate diagram option, right? Now, I've said, draw me a workflow diagram for creating a website. Let's see if it does it, okay? Well, it's made a basic workflow, not great, but we can use this button to generate an AI diagram. Here we can make the diagram with code, alright? Here we have the integration section where we can add various plugins and tools to enhance our work with Lucid, right? It's not necessary, but it's nice that they've included it for us. We have the quick tools section where we can, for example, let's say select a section and hit summarize, for instance, okay? In this case, it wouldn't be, it's not really needed since there's hardly any data, right? But we can also organize ideas, alright? What ideas do we want to organize? Well, we basically take this and link it here, and here we'd put the ideas we want to sort in, customize, okay? And if not, we can go back to the normal view, right? We can use pre-made templates, okay? For flowcharts, you click use template, tell it where to put it, and there you go, alright? You've got it added now. We can also just add the shapes manually ourselves, okay? As you can see, there are different types of shapes. If we select them, we can edit them, okay? Let's see. There it is. Select a shape and you can change its type, color, and preview changes. Features not all tools have. We can italicize text, remove it, see? Double click to edit text inside. That's what this tool allows us to do, okay? To create different spaces, just drag, select a shape, and build your diagram, alright? We can also create formats, add images, data, and more. So that's basically how you use this tool.